Did you know that AI agents can analyze data and make decisions faster than any human? They're already being used in industries like healthcare and finance to revolutionize how we work. The concept of AI agents is vast and rapidly evolving, but at its core, it's about creating autonomous entities that can perform tasks independently, making our lives easier and more efficient. In today's digital landscape, AI agents are becoming indispensable, and their significance cannot be overstated. From virtual assistants to autonomous vehicles, AI agents are transforming the way we interact with technology. As we delve deeper into the world of AI agents, it's essential to understand that this technology has been in development for decades. The idea of creating artificial intelligence that can learn, adapt, and make decisions dates back to the 1950s. Over the years, researchers and scientists have been working tirelessly to push the boundaries of what's possible, and their efforts have led to significant breakthroughs. In the 1980s, AI agents began to take shape, with the development of expert systems that could reason and make decisions based on specific rules and constraints. This marked the beginning of a new era in AI research, as scientists started to explore ways to create more intelligent and autonomous systems. According to Dr. Shiarg Shah, a computer science professor at the University of Washington, the term AI agents has evolved significantly over the years, reflecting the advancements in technology and the increasing complexity of these systems. Today, AI agents are more capable and integrated into various aspects of our lives than ever before. The development of AI agents has been a gradual process, with significant contributions from researchers, scientists, and engineers. In the 1990s, the rise of machine learning enabled AI agents to learn from data and adapt to new situations, leading to further advancements in areas like natural language processing and computer vision. In recent years, we've witnessed an explosion of AI agent applications, from chatbots and virtual assistants to autonomous robots and drones. The pace of innovation has been breathtaking, with new technologies and frameworks emerging every year. Today, AI agents are being used in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance decision-making. For instance, AI agents are being used in healthcare to analyze medical records, identify patterns, and make predictions about patient outcomes. In finance, AI agents are helping to detect fraud, manage risk, and optimize investment portfolios. The list goes on, and the potential applications are endless. Founder and CEO of HiPatO's Uli Orksleben says of AI agents, "AI agents in finance are transforming the industry by automating complex tasks, improving efficiency, and enabling more accurate financial analyses. Their ability to operate autonomously and make data-driven decisions is revolutionizing how financial institutions operate." One of the most significant recent advancements in AI agents is the development of deep learning algorithms. These algorithms enable AI agents to learn from vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions with unprecedented accuracy. This has led to significant breakthroughs in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, and speech recognition. Another area that's gaining traction is the development of multi-agent systems, where multiple AI agents work together to achieve complex tasks. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries like logistics, supply chain management, and cybersecurity. An expert at CrowdStrike, Dr. Lucia Stanham, discusses AI agents in cybersecurity. AI agents are transforming cybersecurity by enabling proactive threat detection and response. Their ability to analyze vast amounts of data and adapt to new threats in real time is making traditional security measures more effective. The impact of AI agents on businesses and economies is already being felt. By automating routine tasks, companies can optimize their operations, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. AI agents are also enabling new business models, such as subscription-based services and pay-per-use applications. As AI agents become more pervasive, they're also transforming everyday life. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and smart homes, AI agents are making our lives easier, more convenient, and more enjoyable. AI agents are also having a profound impact on the workforce. As AI agents take over routine tasks, new job opportunities are emerging, and workers are being forced to adapt to new roles and responsibilities. According to industry experts, the future of AI agents holds enormous potential. AI agents will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the future of work, and it's essential that we prepare the workforce for this shift, says Dr. Rachel Kim, a leading AI researcher. The potential applications of AI agents are limitless, and it's up to us to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and for the greater good, adds Dr. John Lee, a renowned AI expert. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI agents will continue to play an increasingly important role in our lives. They have the potential to transform industries, economies, and societies, and it's essential that we're aware of the opportunities and challenges that come with this technology. In conclusion, AI agents are the future of technology, and their significance cannot be overstated. They have the potential to transform the way we live, work, and interact with each other, and it's essential that we're prepared for this shift. What do you think about AI agents? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about AI and technology, be sure to check out our other videos on science and technology.